Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create a report in Appsheet. So the very first thing that you do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for Appsheet and then log into your Appsheet account. And then once done, you'll be able to see here now your apps and your databases. Okay, so you see that right? Now the next thing that you are going to do is to create a new app or edit an existing app. So for this video, I am going to create a new app. So just click on the create option at the top left of your screen. So I think I'm just going to use this app, the project tracker. Okay. And then the next thing that you should do now is to go to the automation section. So as you can see at the right side, this is the preview of our app. Now go to the automation section, and then the next thing that you should do is to create a new bot. Okay, and then you just have to give your new bot a name. Okay, that's right. Make sure to put a name on it. Okay, so I'm going to name this one as scheduled report. That's right. And then you just have to configure the event and then give the event a name. Okay, so I'm going to name this one again as scheduled report. That's right. And then after that, you just have to add a step. So just click on add a step option, and then right here at the right side you can choose the schedule, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or it's up to you. So after this one, you can now add a new step. And here, what you're going to do is you can choose to send an email or create a new file. So for the next step, I want to receive the report in my email. So what you're going to do is to select the send an email. And then the next one is to add here the email. So I'm going to use my own email for this one. So you just have to type it out right here. That's right. And then you have to type out the email subject. Okay, make sure to add here the email subject. Then after adding the email subject, you also need to add the email body. Okay, so add here the email subject first. And then after that, you can now add the email body as well. Okay, so you can enter the text or expression within this section. And then for the email body template, you also need to put it right here. And then after that, you can also preview your email. Okay, and then of course, do not forget to save your changes. So just click on the save option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so after that one, you can click on the save option at the top right, and then you can now test your email. And then when the record is updated, you'd be able to receive the report via email. So here you can check if the event condition is working. Okay, and then for this one, you have to execute this one. Okay, so for this one, since this app is not fully built, so we cannot really successfully launch this one. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.